Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device somewhere in the box, though they usually look more like this. But if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip. Just straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now, if you have a case on your phone, you will need to take it off. And also if you have that sticker still on the phone right here, you can see the tray is located right here. So let's just grab our tool, find the insert pin for it, push it in, and as you can see the tray pops out. Just enough for you to grab it and take it out. So I'm just going to keep it like this. Oh, never mind, because I do need to flip the tray over. So the tray is one of those that will not really hold the cards in place if you flip it over. So as you can see, once you place it on here, you do this, the card falls out. So there we go. Now you can occupy either one of the SIM trays, both of them or just one of them, and it doesn't really matter which one. And in terms of the SD card, just one place for it. Make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray when you insert them, and then put them back in your device. Now if your card, one of them just kind of flops out because there's nothing holding them, so they could just kind of come out loose, don't force the tray in, just take it out, fix it if there is a problem, and then carefully insert it back in. Once you insert your cards, they should start working immediately. So you can see my SIM card is already working, so I'm going to confirm my SIM pin, then the pattern, and the SIM card is obviously working. Now let's see if we get some kind of notification for SD card, and yep, we do. So you can see right here, top 2 setup. So SD card is working as well. So anyway, this is how you would insert your SIM and SD card into this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.